Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. 8849 launched the phone with the biggest battery in the world around this time last year, featuring some powerful specifications, a laser projector, and a 23,800 mAh battery called the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. However, this year, Oukitel has decided to up the game by releasing a rugged phone with a humongous 33,000 mAh battery and some powerful specifications as well. So, in today's video, I will be comparing both phones to see which one is actually better in terms of features and specifications. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, or leave a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching the video.